Hey guys, if your puppet is falling down, do this. I put this on, so look. I'm literally trying to do this, but it's still not literally yeah. So how to make like this? So I will do this, and it's still not working, guys. Look, you know why? Look, because I have these on. So let's make some. So get your puppet and get some paper, but has cut because yeah. So now I made two of these, and it looks not even similar to the other one because I'm trying to take it off and it accidentally didn't stick together. So I made a new one, and here's the one. And now get your puppet, and now you need to tape it. So here guys, so here, and here, there's a paper here. Let me show it to you guys. So here, you need to put it right over here. But I'm just trying to show it to you guys because I can't put it here anymore, or there, or inside. So I will put it here. So pretend it's like this and this. So after you see this, after you see this, guys, let me get some tape. So okay, now after you see this, see guys, and now you put here the tape like this. Oh, and now get your puppet, your dragon puppet, and now so you can see guys, and now put it like this, and do wait a minute. There. So after you stick it, it's fitting at your hand, guys. But if it's not fitting at your other hand, maybe because it's not the size. So find a size that your hand suits. So you're just gonna do it with your thumb. So peace out. Bye bye.